All right, Dr. Payne. And oh, look at that handshake. All right, now we've got Dr. Payne and D-Dog.
This is going to be fun to watch.
It is a Royal Rumble match. First one out of the ring. Right now the action's a little bit slow. Dr. Payne's got him. Oh.
Things are about to get extreme.
Oh, now he's got him. Now he's got him in a headlock. Got him in a headlock.
Match between these two. Oh no. Oh, look at Miz. He knows what's coming.
D-Dog is looking for something. Looking for something. Looking for that belt. The championship belt. Oh, he got him. This is a fight that has been brewing. It's been in the making for a long time. It's no secret that they just don't really like each other. They get mad at each other because they want the same belt. First one off the ring, out of the ring is the winner. And he's almost got him. He's got him. He's got him coming off the ring. Oh, he saved himself. He saved himself. This is was going to be a tag team match, but Triple H decided that that would not happen tonight. That was not going to be the case tonight. He's almost out of the ring. Almost out of the ring. Oh, he's pushing him off the ring. Oh. Almost got him. He's almost off the ring. Oh, he's back on. I thought that was going to be it. I thought the match was going to be over. Oh. Oh, he used his legs. He used the leverage to get back in the ring. That is an outstanding play by Dr. Payne. And now they're both really tired. They're both gasping for air. This has been a match for the ages right here. A match for the ages. Oh, Oh, here we go. We've got Dr. Payne's tag team partners now in the ring. This is going to be incredible. He's tagging, but it's not working. Oh. The match has been going on for a while. We're hoping for a winner. Somebody's gonna step up. This is what matches are made of right here. This is what champions are made of. Remember, this is a Royal Rumble out of the ring match. Anything goes except for your body. Otherwise, you'll be disqualified and the match will be turned over to the winner. They're both up. They're both up on their feet. Oh! He's almost out of the ring. Anything could happen here. Dr. Payne is on the edge, looking for a way to get D-Dog out of the ring. And these shots are, he's almost out of the ring. He's almost out of the ring. Remember, the ramp is a part of the ring, and we've got a winner! We've got a winner! Dr. Payne!